no framework, no async storage. Getting my point? Then strictly written any failure disqualified. AI खोले please. अभी खोलो तो वाली कॉपी हो तो वाली हो कैसे चेक हो then let's talk about scoring rules. Responsive table behavior. What I have told, there is a table and it contains 15 points. Total we have 100 points. Design reference to Figma. One Figma link we will provide. That link is basically here in this complete video. That is basically all the designs you need to develop and should be accurate. And the point is accurate. So basically we know that you are not efficiently in JavaScript. That's why we are more focused on styling process. That's why this is the 30 points, major points we have to say. Then your HTML part, that is chain one. Scroll down. Please come to the stage. Sir, Samir sir. I will invite Samir sir also. Sir, please. So you all participated in the first hackathon and in the second hackathon also. First hackathon was your foundational conceptual building. Second hackathon was your development building. So basically you developed your code using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You have showcased your tremendous skills which you have, and all the
I'm also very consistent with whatever has been going on in your department. Maybe it's a kind of coincidence that when Sanjeev sir is absent and nobody is there, that is why I was invited like this. But still then, whatever I have known about this, say please participate. Say that is what Reddy sir and Samir sir were telling you. So whenever there is any kind of competition, any kind of involvement, unless you are involved, nothing is going to happen. And here, these.
To now announce the name of the winners. So let's start from the third position. So any guesses? Who got the third prize?
Samir sir and Reddy sir.
So the third prize goes to Group 4. Give a huge round of applause. In Group 4, there are the Group 3 members' name are Biswajit, Ashish, and Animes. A use of round of applause, please. Group 14 consists of Soumya Sarnistha and Swati Pragyan. And the first prize goes to group number 3. I would like to call the team leaders of 3 teams to share something about the hackathon.
For all the faculty members of our college and all the organizers of SkillOTech to conduct this kind of event in our college. Because the hackathon is not just about a competition, it's also an experience which pushes us beyond our comfort zone, challenging our problem-solving skills, and we
For conducting this great event hackathon. Thank you.
Pragya Paramita. Next. Priyanka Swain. Shruti Mita Das. Swagatika. Simpa. Prince Leadas.
you have performed, we have to